Hi, thank you for that introduction. Now, how many of you have gone to buy a car? Remember when you first look at the car, you think, great, that car looks fantastic. But when you go to buy the car, you look at a lot of different things. You look at how comfortable the car is, how it's built, the speeds and feeds, how efficient it is. And I think in deep neural network inference processors, we have to do the same thing. So when you want to get the most efficient deep neural network inference performance, is it really all about the tops? Does tops really give you the whole story? So today I'm going to talk about a few things. First, the AI inference landscape and the growth of the edge. We're going to talk about what is the history of our benchmarking, why we've come to use tops as our main first benchmark of reference, and how we compare AI inference silicon in a more realistic way, in a better way that's more valuable for us when we're making decisions about building systems with AI silicon for medical, for industrial, for retail, or for security, or for many other kinds of applications with a variety of requirements. You have to take a look at more than just the tops. And we'll look at very efficient architectures and some examples of Intel's products for the edge. So let's get started looking at the AI inference landscape. I think there's really two ways to look at this landscape. It's a vast landscape in one direction of general purpose platforms that are highly programmable, very flexible for solving a lot of different problems and systems, as well as purpose-built flat platforms that are very specifically targeted at a limited number of applications with a limited number of functions. And then on the left and right side, we see edge devices, edge servers. We also see the cloud and the data center. And along this axis, you have very vastly different requirements. So you really have to look at the landscape in order to understand really how to better compare silicon platforms for deep neural network inference. And for the purposes of this talk, we're going to focus on the edge devices and edge servers.